When it comes to travel-friendly hair tools, the Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer immediately stands out for its thoughtful design and features aimed at simplifying styling while on the go. If you're someone who loves to travel but doesn't want to compromise on your hair care routine, this dryer promises to be a game changer. Let's dive into the specifics of this compact yet powerful dryer. The Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer is a portable travel companion with a unique foldable handle and retractable cord. These features make it incredibly easy to pack in your suitcase without adding bulk. Whether you're hopping on a plane, train, or road trip, this dryer fits right into your bag, taking up minimal space while still providing everything you need for your hair. Equipped with Ionic technology, this hairdryer promises to deliver frizz-free, smooth, and shiny hair. The ions work to break down water molecules, speeding up the drying process and leaving your hair looking healthier and more manageable. If you're tired of frizz or static that often comes with drying, the Ionic conditioning in this dryer will be a welcome addition to your routine. This dryer also comes with 2 heat and 2 speed settings, allowing you to customize the drying experience depending on your hair type and desired results. Whether you need a quick dry or a more precise style, the Conair Cord-Keeper gives you control. Plus, the cool shot button is a nice touch, locking in your style and ensuring that your hair stays put once you're finished. Now, let's talk about performance. I've been using the Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer for a while, and I found it to be surprisingly powerful for a compact design. With 1875 watts, it's more than enough to get the job done, even for thick or slightly coarse hair. The 2 speed settings allow for versatile use, whether you're just drying your hair or aiming for a sleek, smooth finish. The Ionic technology definitely works. My hair felt softer and looked shinier after use, and I noticed less frizz compared to other dryers I've used. On the downside, the size and weight of the dryer might not be as ideal for everyone. While it's lightweight and compact, the folding handle can sometimes feel a little flimsy if you're not gentle with it. Additionally, the dryer doesn't come with multiple attachments, which some might prefer for more styling options like diffusers or concentrator nozzles. But for a basic, travel-friendly option, these aren't deal breakers. When it comes to value, this dryer strikes a good balance between price and performance. Given its portability, Ionic conditioning, and dual voltage feature, it's priced reasonably for travelers who want a reliable, space-saving option without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer feels sturdy enough for regular use. The retractable cord is a convenient touch, and while the folding mechanism may not feel as robust as some higher-end models, it serves its purpose. If you're planning to use this dryer regularly, you may want to handle it with a bit of extra care, especially when folding the handle. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few similar dryers out there, but many of them come with a higher price tag. For instance, the Revlon 1875W Travel Dryer offers similar power and compactness, but it doesn't have the retractable cord feature. So if you value portability and don't mind sacrificing a few extra styling attachments, the Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer still comes out ahead. In summary, the Conair Cord-Keeper Dryer is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact, travel-friendly hairdryer that performs well without the extra bells and whistles. Its sleek design, Ionic technology, and dual voltage feature make it an excellent option for frequent travelers. While it's not perfect for those looking for multiple styling tools, it does the job efficiently, making it a great option for on-the-go styling. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.